I will demonstrate how to use Godiag GT100 breakout box to connect W164 EIS on bench and read EIS data using Godiag Key Tool Plus. You need to connect to a gateway or gateway simulator. We use multiple control modules, one EIS and one gateway to connect to Godiag GT100 to see if it can communicate. There is W164 EIS wiring diagram in the Godiag Key Tool Plus. The two plugs on the diagram represent the two plugs on the EIS. There is the OBD pin. This is the pin line in front of the gateway. Then we follow this wiring diagram to connect successfully. We enter the Godiag Key Tool Plus device, tap Pilot System, Read EIS, Auto Detect. It is W164 W251 EIS type, OBD. Read the data successfully. Alright, not only can GT100 be connected to a simple control unit, but multiple control units can also be connected through it. When we add keys or program new key when all keys lost and we don't have the Mercedes-Benz test lines, we can use this GT100 to connect. If the number of lines on the main harness is not enough, we can also use banana heads to draw its definition lines to connect with this control unit. If you are skilled and have a better understanding of the wiring diagram and lines, then GT100 is actually very convenient for our job. Alright, thank you. Any question, please leave message below.